This is a video cleaning guide for the Kyocera DuraForce Ultra. Make sure all three port covers are closed. Headset, SIM-SD, USB-C. Hold 4 inches below the faucet. Rinse away any loose dirt from the device. Avoid using high pressure water. Add liquid dish detergent or hand soap to a wet microfiber towel or terry cloth towel. Rub in a circular motion all sides of the device. Rinse again, 4 inches below the faucet. Rinse in a tub. Device is rated for a 30-minute immersion. Dry off using a terry cloth or microfiber towel. Wipe down all sides. Do not use a hairdryer or oven to dry the device. If you know, you could also tap it. Make sure you can tap out any water from the speaker areas. If you notice any audio issues, gently blow out the speaker microphone ports on the top of the device and the bottom of the device, gently. Do not use compressed air.